Hey, are you one of those persons that thinks that it's too late to start doing bug bounties primarily because, AI and machine learning is here to just take over? Or that there's too many researchers out there finding these bugs, so you're just gonna dupe out, so it's not even worth your time? I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. And I'm just speaking of my own experience. My experience is that, sure, there's a lot of bugs that's going to be already found, like basic XXSs or anything that Burp will find automatically. But the thing is that the secret sauce is to look what's behind the curtain. Maybe there's a paywall. Maybe you can spend a couple of bucks getting in behind that paid access. Maybe there's a admin panel or something else, like a user that you have to register to get access to. Those are usually untested grounds. And when you're in there, try switching things from false to true, or playing around with the whole thing and looking at the responses, because that's where the information disclosure lies. And for me personally, I think that's where a lot of bugs are going to be found this year. It's in too much info. Companies are just throwing information at you, not filtering stuff. Some of them are real good at it though, so you might just need to dig a little. But I will look there. And don't believe anything what other people say, not even what I say. The whole idea is that you need to find it out for yourself. You can start that by starting hunting today. Have fun.